Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most hyped pairs of wireless earbuds in the audiophile space right now. This is the Tozo Golden X1. These aren't just your average budget earbuds, they're packed with features you'd expect in a $300 plus range, but at a fraction of the price. So are they really worth it? Let's find out. In full transparency, the brand did send me the product for free in the purpose of making this video. So in the box you get the Golden X1 earbuds, a sleek matte charging case, 4 extra sets of silicone ear tips, a USB-C. Right off the bat, the build quality is premium. The earbuds have a metallic finish with a compact stem design, and the case has this satisfying magnetic lid snap that just feels expensive. They're lightweight, ergonomic, and feel secure. Great for workouts and long commutes. So let's talk sound, because this is where Tozo went all in. These use a hybrid dual driver setup, a noise balanced armature and a 10mm dynamic driver. That combo gives you crystal clear mids and highs, plus rich, punchy bass without drowning everything else. Now the result, a studio grade sound profile that's both fun and accurate. Vocals pop, instruments have definition, and the soundstage is surprisingly wide for in-ear buds. I tried everything from jazz to EDM to podcasts, and the clarity is phenomenal. Plus, if you're picky, the Tozo app gives you a customizable 10-band EQ and even adaptive sound profiles. There's also support for LDAC high-resolution audio if you're an Android user, which is huge at this price point. Now onto ANC. These use hybrid active noise cancellation that blocks up to 42 decibels of ambient sound. In real-world testing, it's great for low-frequency hums like engines or AC units, though voices and sharp sounds still come through slightly. The transparency mode is also solid, voice sounds natural, and you can easily have a conversation without pulling the buds out. Mic quality is pretty solid too. There are 6 built-in mics with AI noise reduction. Here's a quick mic test so you can hear it for yourself. Okay, so for this test, I'm just recording into my phone. On the audio messages, I'm recording through the microphone on the Tozo Golden X1s. So this is going to give us a clear example of how clear and crisp the quality is. It filters out wind and background chatter well enough for work calls or Zoom meetings on the go. The battery life is great. You'll get up to 8 hours on a single charge with ANC off and about 5 to 6 with it on. The case adds another 30 hours and supports both USB-C and wireless charging. Bluetooth 5.3 means faster, more stable connections and super low latency. Perfect for video streaming or casual gaming. I didn't get any drops or lags, even switching between devices. The Tozo app is also fantastic. You get firmware updates, EQ controls, ANC transparency adjustments, and even hearing a test that creates a custom sound profile based on your ears. There's even touch control, customization, so if you're not stuck with default gestures, I mapped mine for volume, skip, and voice assist. So should you buy the Tozo Golden X1? Well, absolutely, if you want a flagship tier features like dual drivers, LDAC support, and wireless charging without spending $300. These punch above their price class and are very competitive with some of the big name brands that we know and love. If you are interested in the Tozo Golden X1, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. Please leave a comment and let me know what your favorite feature was. Share this with a friend who you think may need this in their life. Hit that like button and subscribe for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.